to somebody. I'm talking to somebody. The truth of the matter is that you can't understand why you are losing the stuff that you've lost, or going through the turmoil that you're going through, and why your back is up against the wall, and people that should be there to support you and love you ain't. Trust me that God has a better plan.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I started looking at the text, and I'm almost out of here. I started looking at the text, and I really didn't understand this, but I saw it. I saw it in the text, and this is what got me, Vicky. It got me right here in the text, and it made me shout all by myself, and I'm nowhere near ready to preach. It got me, and it excited me. This is what I saw. This is what it saw. That the Bible said that Job's friends, God dealt with his frenemies. I want to talk about frenemies. Yeah, Cohen word. I heard Alexis Cohen that word. Yeah, because she talked about frenemies. Frenemies are the people that your friends, they act like your enemies. They're frenemies. She says that God tells Job's frenemies, says you spoke irrationally, and you spoke stuff that wasn't me. You said that I didn't love him and he was wrong, and I walked away from him and I was judging him. But I realized I was blessing him instead of judging him. I used him as an example to show that there is somebody that will stand for righteousness. There is somebody that will suffer and will not complain. There is somebody that can go through hell and yet said, I will trust in him.
Yes, sir.
That don't trust him because of how much money you got in the bank. Don't trust him by how many people know your name. Don't trust him by how many people you can call, how many people in your Rolodex, how many people that you got on your buddy list, how many people that's a part of your Win Friends and Influence and Dale Carnegie team or your Toastmasters Club, but because you are committed to him, that trust him because when you didn't have nobody, he was there, that he brought you from nowhere to somewhere, and you just